China Sodium Times Shenzhen New Energy Technology Co. Limited, established in 2022. Its sister company, Sunrise New Energy, went public on Nasdaq in 2021. The headquarters of CSIT is located in Shenzhen, with offices in Dongguan, Shanghai, and Malaysia. Have a factory in Ma On-chan, Anhui Province. The Ma On-chan factory has a modern production base of over 31,000 square meters. The annual output reaches 2.5 gigawatt-hours of sodium-ion battery cells and 5 gigawatt-hours of power and energy storage battery packs. Relying on its complete supply chain system from raw materials to battery cells and then to finished products, effectively ensure the stability of the product and cost controllability. CSIT-Energy focuses on the research and development, manufacturing and sales of sodium-ion battery cells and battery packs. At the same time, the business also covers the field of lithium-ion battery packs, serving markets such as energy storage, power, and consumer electronics. At present, CSIT-Energy has obtained more than 40 intellectual property rights. Significant achievements have been made in the research and development of cathode materials for sodium-ion cells. Mr. Haipinghu, one of the leading figures in China's new energy industry, promote the development of industrialization of lithium battery material. In addition, the company's core management and R&D backbone both have been deeply engaged in the new energy field for more than 20 years. CSIT-Energy, relying on its strong R&D capabilities and industrial background, have established strategic cooperative relations with over 40 overseas partners to jointly expand the market. We have developed agents in Malaysia, Belgium, Indonesia, the United States, and other places. At the same time, the company continues to optimize the production process, improve the level of automation, cultivate excellent technical and sales personnel, strive to achieve leapfrog development in the field of new energy.